Hey guys, okay, so I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use the databases since they are finally working today. Yay. Okay, so this is your dashboard. Obviously mine's a little different than yours, but you go over here to Site Home, click on it. You scroll down, and there are the Gale databases. And this is opposing viewpoints is the one you probably want. Okay, so if you were writing about abortion, you just click on this. It gives you an overview, but then there's lots of different types of sources. Viewpoints are articles with points of view. These are featured ones, same thing. There's biographies. Norma Corvey is Roe versus Wade. That is Miss Wade. She went by a different name. References, like encyclopedia stuff, statistics, etc. What I really want to point out is, okay, say you're going to use this. You click on it. It gives you the article commentary. There's the whole article, all right? Very current, okay? Now, the cool thing, if I can find it, this is slightly different than it used to be. Hold on. Okay, so down here is the source citation, all right? You always want MLA 8th edition. Select, copy, or you guys go like that, copy. And then you would, oh, it's hard to, Word. Okay. All right, so it's already there. All the information that you need. Sorry, I'm not helping you a whole lot. Indent. All right, now, normally I know you would want to save the URL up here, but I think these URLs are not good after a while. Like they're on timing things, so copy this down, even if you aren't sure if you're going to use the source, because that's enough information. You could just put that title back in the search bar and find the information again. Okay, so let's do another one. Gun control. The ones that you cannot do. All right, so again, sort of things. Let's go to Biden's gun control plan is terrible for working class firearm owners. Washington Post. Okay, probably has a bias. All right, scroll down. Lots of information. Again, copy. Okay. Ta-da! All right. So that's easy. And so if you start doing that, even if you aren't going to use them, that's fine, because that will help us with the modified annotated bibliography, which we'll talk about later. Okay? That's how to use the the database. All right. Let's see if I can get this taken care of.